It is the 1st of May, and Meta stock is modestly up by 6.01%. Um, Yesterday, its CFO disclosed to analysts that Asia-based e-commerce exporters have reduced their spending on its social media networks, and there is uncertainty regarding ad sales from the region in the near term. The comments from the company, which earns the majority of its revenue from digital ads, it runs on those platforms. Are the latest fallout from Trump's unprecedented and dynamic trade policy. Let's see now. Um, Regardless of all of those, the company has raised its capital expenditure forecast, but it is also posting strong enough revenue growth to support that spending. The company delivered a strong earnings beat on Wednesday. That's yesterday, the 30th of April. That's likely easing investor concerns over big spending on AI. Now, the company now forecasts $64 billion to $72 billion in capital expenditure for the year, whereas it previously was forecasting $60 to $65 billion. For context, Meta spent $39 billion on capital expenditure last year. Yeah, so that's what's going on here. So we have, as I mentioned earlier, it's up 6% in this pre-market session. Yeah, 6.01%. Yeah, this is also a follow through from the post-market session of yesterday. So what we have here is this is the daily chart. We have an extrapolation to the upside for its 10 and 21 day moving averages, and including the price itself. So it's the whole of May is expected to be a strong one. Testing the highs of around 611.19. What are the probabilities of those printing? Let's see what the probability of that printing. 611. You have to look over here. This is where you find the moving averages, and the first figure is 10. The second one, that is the first figure, refers to the 10-day moving average. The second one to the 21-day moving average. This the third one, the 40-day moving average, and the last one, the 200 period moving average. So let's go over there and pick up the moving average. That's so with reference to its 10-day moving average. Okay, we have a probability that is less than 200. It's less than 50, but it may not be that bad. It may not be that bad. We can quickly have a look and see if we can find what that probability is. We can just quickly do that. Yeah, we can just quickly do that. That's this. So that's we have 611.83. So yeah, that's the figure we have. Let's move this and then add standard deviation because we need it. 611.83. Let's see. Let's see. Let's write that down. Let's find standard deviation. Yeah, let's see. We have it down here, so we change it to 10. Make it 10. So 611 will be somewhere here. 611 will be somewhere around here. Yeah, somewhere around here. So we want to find, up slightly up here, 611. So we are, yeah, the moving average 600.79, and then we have standard deviation 611. Let's get back there. Okay, so standard deviation is 14.51. 14.51. So we come here and put it here. We'll be able to find the standard deviation here. So we'll be able to find the probability 611.83. And then we have 600.79. We have 14.51. So let's see what we're going to get. So we have probability of it surpassing 60. Okay, it's 22.33%. The probability of it remaining below 611.83 is 77.60%. So it's still decent, still a decent amount of probability that yeah. So yeah, that's yeah, it's not that bad at all. 22%. That's a lot. That holds a lot. That holds a lot. That really holds a lot. That really holds a lot. Yeah. So yeah, that's the extrapolation. Extrapolation to the upside for Meta of for the whole of May. But there's no guarantee that that will be the case. There's absolutely no guarantee that that will be the case. You have to keep watching. Have to keep watching and keep observing. It could be totally wrong as well. You know, we have what's going on with the administration. It is now the biggest game changer in the market right now. So I still stand right now, but all of these are before this earnings disclosures. The disclosures came out, so the projections we have they have some downward projections. We have 341.99, 377.85, 435.91. Upper projections we have 585.79, 626.28, 651.29. So extrapolations are to the upside, and there are also some downward projections, and then also upward projections as well. So let's quickly have a look at the 4 hour chart and see. 4 hour chart. Let's see what's going on here on the 4 hour charts here. Let's see. Let's see now. Yeah, extrapolation is also to the upside with some correction. It's going to consolidate, but with a bias to the upside. That's what is projected on its 4 hour chart. And the 4 hour chart is much more alive. It's taking in data. It's being taken in data. It doesn't stop. But obviously after every 4 hours. So the peak of this extrapolation is we have here 587 by Monday, the Friday, the 9th of May. No guarantee that that will be the case. No guarantee at all. Extrapolations we have everything on this 4 hour chart is an upper projection 567.83, 589.03, 602.12. So yeah, that's what's going on for Meta. Plans to keep on investing in AI. Revenue is encouraging investors. I guess that's why they are buying more of the stock. So see what you make of it, and thank you very much for watching this video.